When you see a budget laptop, you expect a budget processor. Usually, companies give you an underpowered, slow entry-level chip just to save costs. But this machine right here breaks that rule completely. This is a new Lenovo V15 Gen5 IRL, and it is a total spec paradox. For a highly affordable price point, they managed to squeeze in a powerful Core i5 H series processor and next-generation DDR5 memory. Let's do a raw hands-on design and spec review to see where Lenovo spend the money and exactly where they cut corners. Let's start with the physical build. This is the Lunar Gray variant, unlike basic texture black plastics. This pigment treatment gives it a clean, matte business look that resists fingerprints surprisingly well. It's light, starting around 1.6 kilograms. Now let's look at the I/O layout, which is highly practical for office work or desk setups. You get full HDMI to USB-A ports, a 3.5mm combo jacks, and an actual physical gigabit Ethernet LAN port, a massive bonus for stable internet that most thin laptops drop completely. Plus, a USB-C port isn't just for data, it actually supports power delivery and display port, meaning you can drive an external monitor and charge the machine with a single desk cable layout. Let's open the deck. Notice the hinge. It can lay completely flat at 180 degrees, but the real reason you look at this configuration is under the keyboard. This is packed with the Intel Core i5 13th generation processor. That H stands for high performance graphics and processing power. It features 8 processing cores that boost up to 4.6 GHz with a deep 12 MB cache. Out of the box, it comes with 8 GB of fast DDR5 memory and a 512 GB M2 NVMe SSD. Now, 8 GB is just enough for standard office work, but Lenovo left a fully open, empty extra slot inside. You can buy a cheap 8 GB stick, pop it in, and instantly double your performance to dual channel speed. Since this is built as an everyday work tool, the keyboard layout is excellent. It's full size and includes a dedicated numeric pad, which is essential for data entry, office spreadsheet, or banking tasks. The key drawer is short but tactile. Moving to the top bezel, you get a clean 720p HD webcam. Look closely right here. Lenovo built in a physical privacy shutter slide. When you're done with an online seminar or meeting, you just slide it close for total security. Now, let's be brutally honest about the biggest compromise on this budget machine. This is a 15.6-inch Full HD screen, but it used a TN panel rated at 250 nits. TN technology means the viewing angles are limited. If you look at it directly, it's completely fine for reading text or handling tasks, but it is not designed for professional color work or movie editing. Running the system is a 47 watt-hour battery which supports rapid charge, taking you from 0 to 80% capacity in about an hour. It's important to note this model ships as OS-free DOS, meaning you will need to install your own clean copy of Windows when you unbox it. Who is this machine actually for? If you are a student, office manager, or small business professional who needs an incredibly fast processor and modern DDR5 upgrade options on a budget, this value is unmatched. You don't need a heavy gaming laptop to get the modern speed. Thank you for watching. Here is all for the Lenovo V15, and if you want to know more about this laptop, let me know in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next video.